Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, real talk with a realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as Agent Lady. And today, guys, we're going to talk about deposit money. Deposit money. What is it? What does that mean? Well, it's a certain amount of money that you're going to put down to show the seller that you're putting some skin in the game for them taking their house off the market for you. Now, that money that you put down will be deducted from the amount you need to bring to the settlement table. So, how much is it? Well, that kind of depends. There's a first deposit and then sometimes a second deposit depending on price point and how much you put down for the first deposit. Sometimes people just want to do one lump sum and not divide up the check or divide up that money. Some agents like to see between 3 and 5%, but that also just depends on the type of loan that you're getting. So really kind of just depends. That's all negotiable, but that's kind of what you can focus on, like how much needs to be put down and how much will be deducted from the settlement table. And when does it due? Well, in the standard agreement of sale, the date is 5 days unless that's changed, and again, unless that's negotiated for a shorter period of time. So when you actually sit down to write the offer, you actually don't need that check in hand. And you might not have a check in hand because if it's 30 days or less that you're trying to settle, a cashier's check is needed in order to move forward with the house. So again, it could be 5 days, it could be less, but you don't need it until that actual contract is executed by both parties and now you're under agreement of sale. So I hope that helps. That is deposit money, and that's what you need to do in order to get the house. Well, guys, that sums it up. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day, guys.